of the behemoths.
Accompanied by James E. Cornette from the Rocky
458 pounds.
56 pounds.
As nasty
The man
and as bad as they come.
Vader.
And what a great athlete at 460 pounds plus.
He's a great athlete when he has the advantage. He'll get a gut check right here tonight, live in Charleston, South Carolina. And who can forget? It was about 7 weeks ago, ladies and gentlemen. If you remember what happened, just listen to this. Listen to this. Vader attempting. That was the second one. The Vader bomb and a third Vader bomb attempting to destroy the leg of Yokozuna.
Yeah, he sure did it. He did it. He didn't attempt. He put him out. They took him out on a forklift. How embarrassing is that?
Boy, folks, I'll tell you, this is going to be one of them old, just getting your face, old-time slobber knockers.
Slobber knocker.
Two big old, a 458-pounder Vader, and this man, who is ready to fight.
You think he's 100%? You think Yokozuna's 100% for 7 weeks?
Well, he's not limping. That's one good sign. But only time will tell if that huge man, the biggest ever to compete in the WWF, is physically at 100%. Mentally, I know he's ready.
Here we go.
This one will not be pretty.
Oh.
And it won't last long if they're going to stand there and exchange those big right hands. You talk about clubs. Yokozuna knocking Vader back into the corner. Vader, I don't think, wants any part of this right now. Yeah, look at Cornette trying to say it's up. Yokozuna got him in the throat, which may be true. I couldn't see it from my vantage point. Vader got that one leg on the outside. He wants to make sure that the referee stays between Yokozuna and the man from the Rocky Mountains. And someone should get that polyester wearing Jim Cornette off the apron. Folks, we are live. We're happy you're with us here in Charleston, South Carolina. We certainly thank you for being with us here at In Your House. Beware of Dog 2. And I think Mother Nature's smiling a little bit on us here this week. Yokozuna ready for those sumo. I don't understand why the referee is allowing Cornette, well, finally, down on the floor where he belongs. He actually belongs outside, but that's another story. Well, it's like a demolition derby, the Joey Chitwood Thrill Show with 18-wheelers. And I think Yokozuna's ready.
Vader's having second thoughts.
Yes, he is. Vader, I think, likes to pick his spots.
Nothing wrong with that.
Well, there's Vader down a three-point football stance. Yokozuna in a sumo stance. Quite a camera shot right there. False start. Vader, I don't think Vader wants any part of Yokozuna on a level playing field.
Got to wait for an opening, go back after the leg that he's already done the damage to 7 weeks ago.
Eddie Cornette's trying to instill some verbal courage into Vader. Because Vader knows the pain and the agony that Yokozuna went through just under 2 months ago. And I'll tell you, Vader intimidates a lot of people, Perfect.
No doubt about it. I mean, this man, the agility and the ability that he has in that ring, I can't believe he can move like that at his 460-some pounds.
Well, he intimidates a lot of folks, I was about to say, but not Yokozuna. Now they're
There we
down.
go.
They're ready. Here we go. This should be quite an impact. We are ready to see it. Oh, come on. Come on. Well, these fans here in Charleston are not too pleased with Mr. Vader's courage. And Yokozuna obviously is getting very, very frustrated. The former two-time WWF champion wants to get it on.
Maybe that's Vader's strategy, to frustrate Yokozuna.
Well, maybe the third time will be the charm here. They seem to be ready. Yokozuna's been ready. All right, here we go. Vader down, three-point stance. Yokozuna the wide base, and Yokozuna just ran
I
through
can't
Vader.
believe it. Vader can't believe it.
Yokozuna the clothesline, and Vader at
I can't believe it.
Cornette has got to get his big man, his mastodon, refocused here. You may need to go see the Wizard and get a shot of courage down that yellow brick road. And there's a big right hand, Yokozuna beating Vader coming in.
Oh, that'll break your eardrum.
Oh, hard rights and lefts to the head. Vader taking those shots.
That's what he's doing. He's cupping the hand so he can pop the eardrum. Vader's no dummy.
Vader measuring Yokozuna. And Yokozuna single pickup. That's unusual.
He's going to try to put Vader in the hospital.
Using that 660, Yokozuna dropped it all on the leg of Vader. Vader now, who's very athletic for a big man, very quick for a big man, will see now perhaps his quickness evaporate thanks to that big move by Yokozuna using this 660 pounds to his advantage.
Wow.
Too bad Cornette doesn't let a loser leave the WWF stipulation.
Wow, I still can't believe that.
Look at Vader. That impact for his knee brace loose. Vader noticeably limping, coming back into the ring, favoring that left leg.
Good, he blocked it.
Oh, that right got in. That right got in. Vader caught Yokozuna right on the button with that right hand, and now Vader has the advantage. And when Vader's on the advantage, he's as dangerous as he can be. Oh, Yokozuna. Another single leg pickup. Another surprise.
Get out of there.
And Yokozuna dropping it all one more time on that left leg.
I've never seen Vader taken off his feet like this before.
Very unique strategy by Yokozuna. Understand that the $1 Million Man is on the WWF Superstar line. That's on option 8. And Lord knows what he's saying now that he's going to be out of the WWF.
Come on, Yoko, get out of there. Come on. Bring him back. Come on, Yoko. Come on.
Vader has a cheap shot. Now Vader likes to get his opponents in the corner. I'm surprised he didn't keep Yokozuna there.
He's got a handful of hair, too. Gonna slam him.
He's what?
He's gonna slam him.
The only man I've ever seen slam Yokozuna, I can recall, is Ahmed Johnson.
On his knee.
Vader can't get, I don't know if he might slam him, I don't know. Uh-oh. Yokozuna! There's some impact for you. Again, using that mass to his advantage.
I think Vader is stunned. I don't think he knows what hit him.
Yokozuna using the size. That's what he's got to do. And soon, perhaps sooner than later, the stamina, the conditioning factor is going to come into play in this match. Yokozuna engulfing Vader into the corner. Take one more look. This is high impact here.
Look at all of the weight coming down on Vader.
Live action on the right. That was a Samoan drop. Yokozuna now is in control here. Yokozuna, can he put Vader away? Watch this. Boom!
Oh, man.
That is 660 coming down on your rib cage. Oh, Vader. Can you say Banzai?
Oh, no.
In any language, it is devastating. Yokozuna is going up. What a Cornette. Get. Oh. Yokozuna caught the racket. And, oh, Cornette. Cornette brought inside by Yokozuna. Referee got to get Cornette out of there. And Cornette is in no man's land.
Come on, Vader, get up.
Or in big man's land. Cornette wants to make friends. Cornette fired and humiliated Yokozuna. And Yokozuna just giving Cornette a nice, firm handshake and a nice stiff headbutt. Nope. Hey, uh-oh.
Why isn't Yokozuna getting disqualified for touching the manager?
Because Cornette's the guy that came in the ring.
Oh, he's going to drop down on
Yokozuna going up.
No way.
Cornette could be blindside.
No.
This will be the last we'll ever see of Cornette. It's going to be over. Cornette's out of here.
He can't do that.
Oh. No! Vader pulling Cornette out of the way. Oh!
He dropped on the leg.
Vader going right for that leg.
Oh, he's finding his opening. He's going for it.
That's that injured leg. That's 450 pounds across the leg. Yokozuna's leg has been damaged again. Vader's trying to destroy Yokozuna. There's a Vader bomb.
Oh, it's over, Ross. This may do it. Yes.
It's over. Vader. You talk about hard fought and intense. Vader took his opportunities. He took a shortcut. And Yokozuna, you can see the damage done to Vader's leg. We'll take one more look right here.
Yoko going for the bonsai drop.
And now watch Vader quickly capitalize. Yokozuna's leg landed on the bottom ring rope. And Vader is having a hard time getting out of here. Vader is hurt.
Nonetheless, there's your winner. Not there.
Yokozuna couldn't quite get it done here, folks.